Aaron, usually I would surprise you with these, but you already know because I've been telling you all week this is gonna happen and I need your help. We're gonna dump all these Legos in the skate park and we're gonna skate on them. Well, you guys are gonna skate on them. I'm gonna film.
This is impossible. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't here for the pebbles.
Oh, you're lucky.
I was only here for the soap, which was actually really fun.
I think this is gonna be fun.
I don't think we have enough Legos.
There's about 5,000 Legos here. We're gonna need everyone's help. This is a great idea. Leave a box.
Now let's play a game of skate with no shoes and socks.
Ah! Daniel, get up in here! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Come on now!
It actually feels kind of good.
Oh, I can feel it through my shoes, dude.
Oh, we're saving that box.
Oh, wait, yeah, save that box. Oh, that hurt so bad.
Because I could already feel like that's what I wanted to do.
Who's walking?
Game of skate, no shoes, no socks.
Who's walking with socks on?
Oh, easy.
Look.
Put socks on?
Nothing. Aaron, what is wrong with you?
I got socks on.
All right, fine. Take socks off then.
Don't you remember the thing with the Christmas tree balls?
Yeah.
Christmas tree ornaments?
Oh, there's something wrong with you, man.
I'm a skater. I basically have like FP feet.
Oh, watch out. We got feet coming through.
Oh no.
Ow! Yeah, that hurts a lot worse than I thought it would.
Oh!
I'll never skate again. This is skateboarding.
Oh.
It's not so bad. Not so bad.
Game of skate through the Legos.
I'll go no shoes, no socks. I don't care.
No, you won't. No way. If you fall, you're dead.
Hey, no risk, no reward, man.
I'll be right back and I'll show you what I'm gonna wear. Fetty is like slowly stealing pieces and he's like building something.
I'm building. Oh no!
It feels great. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh!
No, I got this.
No.
Now my pride's on the line.
Oh no!
Are we gonna just keep doing this until I land it?
Oh no!
Primo!
Oh no!
I caught one.
A single wheel rolled away.
I think I got it.
I think so too.
It's feeling like it's coming together. I never felt so strongly about a trick in my life.
I need a protective eyewear.
I've done enough that they've kind of gone numb, but falling on Legos is
you
what
did?
hurts. Oh yeah, I am.
We're counting it.
I stepped off.
Count it!
It's a scooter. I looked at the box.
Game of skate, let's go. So wait,
Yeah, me
is this
too.
like anything counts? You have to be rolling? Are there rules?
And then once you stop, you can pop your trick.
What if you go and hit it and fall?
As long as you don't pop, you get to go again.
A lot of rules here. A lot of rules, I like it.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, last.
Great.
He is our intern, so he's doing a great job right now.
He almost fell getting up and running away. Wow! Let's give it up for him.
Living life on the edge.
I didn't expect it to take me out.
no.
It took me out.
Telling you. That's why these are invented.
That was brutal! give it to you, but
I was trying to do it in motion, okay?
Gabe,
yeah.
this is your worst idea ever. First day to the Braille house.
Aaron.
Look at his hand.
Oh yeah,
Look at that.
Oh!
they're sharp Legos, yo.
I've been
I was
there.
not expecting it.
I ain't scared. Scared of nothing.
Hey, you better stop that! Damn, Troy, go to town. That Lego just flew like 20 feet.
Oh my god.
This is why nobody comes to visit us, Gabe.
Why did you bring me here? This is the worst.
No more, it's over. That was the worst thing I've ever seen.
You gotta get this one out of here. The rest are fine. We'll be fine.
Somebody got a slow-mo. This is not Fetty's first time doing something like this. He knows exactly what to do and not to do.
Front foot.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Welcome to the best internship ever, son. You're doing great.
Look at there's a Lego imprint in this. You okay?
Like a Lego.
This is my best worst idea since the soap. Dang! Look at you, kick flipper.
That was incredible. Worst idea ever, period.
I'm just glad you didn't fall.
I'm really glad I didn't fall.
Can you describe the pain?
I just don't want to talk about it. It's making me really emotional right now thinking about how it felt. So can I just get back to you later?
Yeah, okay.
Do I go big or do I like
Go big.
ease it in there?
Go big.
I don't know if I'll ever be able to pop it.
Why? I thought you were just doing 3 flips. No. Well, he asked me if he should go big, and I told him to go big, and he went big.
Aaron's breathing right in my
I'm
ear
still
right
here.
now.
There you go. Oh no!
I always put my hands down. I don't know why. That.
Just get out of the danger zone.
I'm getting them all letter on that one, Gabe.
Fatality to everyone.
Yeah, I did it. Oh, that didn't work.
Wow. That almost broke my jugular.
That's good.
Whoa, wait. I'm trying everything I can to stay on my feet.
Oh, he saved it!
That count?
Saved it! I'll give you a high five, but
Really?
you're bleeding. Good. You pop into it, everyone else has to pop into it. But
Yeah.
if you stop, you have to stop.
Yeah. Nigel's up. Backside 180. Who tries that?
Well, no, you and I are the only ones not really participating, so we shouldn't be the scared ones. But I'm terrified.
Good.
How can I land a tray flip revert, but I can't land a tray flip?
I got so scared. Oh, it's intimidating.
Wow. Good.
Nobody's backside 180'd into it.
Yeah.
Why'd you have to go there?
Defense.
Toe drag?
You're gonna take the letter.
Yep.
You played admirably.
Thank you.
Everyone give him a hand. I've never seen more agility.
Oh my God. I just stretched my groin doing that. Oh, that felt good.
The hardest trick in skateboarding into Legos. I don't like the way this is going.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's right. Yes.
Oh!
I was fully backwards.
Carlos has no letters.
Ah, way, way to chip off the old block.
You
I
good?
lost my eyeball.
Yeah, boy! Nigel, our games of skate have prepared you for this.
That's right. I'm still in it.
Let's go! Finally!
Oh no! Man,
No way.
I wanted to give it my all, and I gave it 1/4.
That's fine. Oh, it's good!
Time out.
Ghetto bird rebate!
It's a jerk move if you do that.
I'm kidding. Oh! Oh! What in the world is going on?
I don't know. It's working now.
Oh, that was good.
Caught that with my toes.
What is happening right now?
I think you guys have figured out how to land and roll away.
Power. Meet the power.
Just remain calm.
Your best game ever?
Maybe.
You saved yourself. Did a Lego hit you in the eye?
Yeah.
Oh no. A Lego hit him in the eye. Good! Oh.
It doesn't do it.
That was a great
Oh,
run.
that was a good game. Good job, guys.
Thank you. Real nice of a friend to deliver on high fives. Oh no!
I don't know. I want to win but lose at the same time.
God, that's painful every single time, dude.
Dang it!
Finally got a trick, man.
Mother.
You played well.
Okay.
Dude, that counts, but Aaron, your fall had me dying, dude.
Dude, I can't frontside flip right now.
Now Now let's sweep them to the bottom of the 5 and have a sesh.
Well, that was fun.
Wow, that was the most fun I've ever
Fun
had.
for you to watch, painful for us to deal with.
The
That
worst thing
sucked.
is Mike's hand.
Yeah, it's
That's
bad.
bad.
Jumping onto a little bunch of boxes, man. It's all sharp edges.
I think this is the first video I made it without falling.
Check out all the videos right there. I hope you guys had a blast watching this video. We had an absolute blast making it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next video. Ow. Actually, I got a helmet on. What am I talking about? It didn't hurt at all.